A handcuffed man stole a police vehicle right in front of officers. Colorado State Patrol says units followed a suspect who had allegedly caused multiple crashes.
TVI successful.
The suspect's car was stopped with a pit maneuver. He was taken into custody and seated in the back of a patrol car. While the suspect's car was being searched, he contorted to work his legs through his handcuffed wrists so that his arms were locked in front of his body. Then he climbed through the patrol car's divider and drove away.
02, suspect just stole a CSP patrol car. He is eastbound, high rate of speed on 50.
Troopers and officers stopped traffic and began a high-speed chase.
Good sticks. We got him.
The stolen patrol vehicle crashed into a parked truck. Authorities say that the suspect was taken to the hospital and later died from his injuries. This is Inside Edition Digital.